How to make only people I follow can add me to groups on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only people I follow can add me to groups on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and here you will find messages. Now just here we'll find this one, allow others to add you to groups, and as you see here we can manage it, and just click this one here, only people you follow, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.